Hello and welcome to TechCool. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about how to run a Python file on your computer. Now, Python is actually a very useful language to use to automate little tasks and do stuff that you don't want to do. Like, say you want to set a timer, you can easily do that with Python. And in today's video, as I said before, I'm going to teach you how to run a Python file onto your computer. Because when I first learned Python, I found it very confusing on actually how to run a Python file on your computer. And I spent ages looking for a simple solution. And as there may be other methods, in this video, I'm just going to teach you how to do using Vscode. So we're going to use Vscode to run. And for this video, really all you need is a computer, and you need to install Python and Vscode, as I will go through in the video. So now let's actually install Vscode and Python onto our computer, because to actually run a .py file or a .python file, you're going to need two things. There's actually other methods to do this, but for me this is the simplest way, and this is just the most common way that is used. So the first thing you're going to need to do is download Python. So just click on this link, I'll have it in the description below, and just download it and save it to your computer. I already have it installed, so I don't really need to install it. And the second link you want to go to is Vscode. So just click download for Windows, scroll down, and Vscode user setup.exe, save it to your computer. It'll download, and then open it, and then click accept the agreement. Next, Visual Studio Code, you can rename it if you like, and adjust your settings here. I like to add all of these. It'll show you what it wants to do, and if you want to change the options or anything, just click back and customize it to how you like to. Then just click install once you're ready, and it'll begin installing. Once it's installed, just click finish, and you can go ahead and close this window. So now this is Visual Studio Code, and as you can see, I already have some code open from before. So just go to the welcome page. It'll open up with something like this, and set up Python, and just click enter on everything. Go with the defaults, and once you set up Python, there should be an option saying get started with Python development. So now I'm just going to create a new Python file. And once I've created a new Python file, there should be an option to run it here. Note, when you install Visual Studio Code, don't install Visual Studio. Make sure you install Visual Studio Code, because in Visual Studio, you cannot really run the code, and it's a bit more complicated there. So just make sure you install Visual Studio Code. It should be a blue. And from here, what you can just do is, say I'll just quickly do something to just show you guys what it'll say. So I'm just going to print. So once it's printed that, say .py file, you can just click run, and at the bottom here, it'll run. This is your terminal, and it'll just run the file. So then, as you can see there, it's printed hello world for me. So that's basically it. That's really how you can install VS Code onto your computer and run Python files basically on your computer. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye!